Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If your apps keep crashing on your Mac, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 5 best solutions with complete step-by-step methods so you can fix this issue easily. Let's get started. Method 1. Restart and update your Mac. Sometimes app crashes happen just because your system is outdated or has temporary glitches. First, restart your Mac. Just click on the Apple logo and hit restart. Hit restart again to confirm your action. After that, go to System Settings, General, Software Update and install any available updates. Also open the App Store, go to Updates and update all your apps. Keeping your system updated can solve many crashing issues instantly. Solution 2. Properly reinstall the app. If only one specific app is crashing again and again, the problem is usually inside that app's files. Step 1. Uninstall the app. Open Finder, click on Applications. Now find the app that's crashing. Right click, move to Trash. Enter your Mac password. Then open Trash. Click Empty Trash. Step 2. Reinstall the app. Open the App Store. Search for the app and click Install button. If it's from a website, download it again from the official site. This gives you a fresh, clean version and fixes corrupted files. Method 3. Close heavy apps using Activity Monitor. If your Mac is overloaded with too many tasks, apps can crash due to lack of resources. For this, click on the Spotlight search icon and open Activity Monitor. Click on CPU and check CPU and memory usage. Select Heavy Apps. Click X at the top and force quit. This frees up RAM and CPU, making your system stable again. Method 3. Reset app preferences. Sometimes the app itself is fine, but its settings get corrupted and cause crashes. Open Finder, click on Go at the top bar menu and select Go to Folder. Now type this command and press Enter. Now you'll see a list of many files. These are all app settings files. To find your app file, look for something like com.google.chrome.plist. Click once on the correct .plist file. Press delete key on your keyboard or right click, move to bin. Then go to Trash and empty your trash. This resets the app setting without deleting your important data and often fixes crashing issue instantly. Method 5. Boot Mac in safe mode. If the issue is still not fixed, there might be some background apps or startup items causing the problem. For Intel Mac, go to Apple menu and shut down your Mac. Now turn it on and hold the Shift key. Release the key at login screen. So guys, safe mode helps identify hidden issues and disables unnecessary processes. So these were the top 5 complete solutions to fix app crashing on Mac. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips. And if you still have any issue, drop a comment below. I'll help you out. See you in the next one.